health habit adjuster. If you want non-emergency medical assistance from a virtual health experts, go to howtogetridofhealthissues.com/mobile doctor. They have a team of mobile doctors is standing by around the clock so you can stop any health issue quickly and effectively. We've all seen the ads. A single pill, a rare root, a miracle cure for your most intimate health concerns. But the science of 2026 is telling a different story. It's not about magic. It's about mechanics, specifically circulation. In the field of sexual health, the tide is turning. We're moving away from supplements and toward a rigorous system of physiology. Today we're looking at the hard evidence, from the nitric oxide in your diet to the FDA's latest warnings on hidden drugs. For decades, the market has been flooded with promises, but why are sexual enhancement products under fire right now? The FDA continues to warn that many of these products contain hidden drug ingredients, actual pharmaceuticals masquerading as herbs. Let's look at how we got here. It starts with the most fundamental law of human performance: blood flow. Aerobic exercise isn't just for your heart. For men, it is the literal engine of erectile health and penile blood flow. Consistent cardio strengthens the endothelium, the inner lining of your blood vessels. This is where the magic happens. When that lining is healthy, it releases nitric oxide, allowing vessels to dilate and blood to flow exactly where it's needed. Which brings us to one of the most debated superfoods in the lab, the humble beetroot. No, it's not a miracle herb. It's a nitrate-rich fuel. Your body converts these nitrates into the very nitric oxide your vessels rely on for dilation. A balanced diet isn't just about weight, it's about providing the building blocks for your vascular system's health. But this isn't just a male conversation. The latest research into perimenopause is shifting toward the same physiological pillars. For women, the advice is becoming laser-focused. Intensive exercise and uncompromising sleep hygiene are non-negotiable. Sleep is when your endocrine system recalibrates. Without it, your desire and physical response are the first things to suffer. There's a controversy here. Many reach for hormones first, but the evidence suggests lifestyle foundations often decide if they work. Take the latest menopause studies. They suggest that regular sexual activity isn't just a result of desire, it's a preventative measure. It may actually reduce dryness and irritation, physical symptoms that often suppress desire in the first place. Use it or lose it. Now let's talk about the danger. The FDA's warning list isn't just bureaucratic fluff. It's a map of a very real public health risk. Supplements labeled natural are being spiked with synderin or totalisolvir, the active chemicals in prescription drugs. If you have a heart condition or take nitrates for chest pain, these hidden drugs can cause your blood pressure to drop to life-threatening levels. So how do we do this the right way? How do we use this information to actually improve our sexual wellness? Step 1. Prioritize aerobic exercise, 30 minutes, 4 times a week. Think of it as vascular training for your entire body. Step 2. Feed the flow. Introduce nitrate-rich foods like beetroot or spinach daily. It's about building a consistent NO reservoir. Step 3. Protect your sleep. Your hormones depend on the 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. recovery window. Don't trade your health for a screen. This isn't just about nighttime performance. It's about a lifestyle that values physiological integrity over a quick, dangerous fix. The side effect of ignoring this? A gradual decline in vascular and hormonal health that no miracle pill can truly reverse. Consider the case of the patient who spent thousands on supplements, only to find the solution was a $40 pair of running shoes. We are conditioned to look for the complex answer because it feels more expert, but the simplest laws of physics usually win. For those in perimenopause, the controversy often surrounds when to start treatment. The science says, start moving now. Weight-bearing exercise and cardio protect both your bones and your vascular response simultaneously. It's a dual protocol approach. There's a myth that desire simply leaves during menopause, but tissue health and comfort play a massive, often overlooked role. The studies are clear. Regular sexual activity maintains blood flow to the pelvic region, preventing the irritation that kills desire. Why is the FDA struggling to keep up? Because the miracle herb industry is a multi-billion-dollar game of cat and mouse. Manufacturers change one molecule, slap a new name on it, and it takes months for the labs to identify the hidden pharmaceutical. My advice: if it promises a miracle in 30 minutes, it's likely either useless or dangerously adulterated. Focus on the slow build. True potency is built in the gym, in the kitchen, and in the bedroom through consistent science-backed habits. Are prescription pills the enemy? No, but they are tools, not solutions for a lifestyle that has stopped supporting your biology. Think of lifestyle as the foundation. Without it, even the best clinical interventions are just building on sand. When is the best way to use beetroot?
Sometime there is a simple way on how to relieve or get a treatment for the problem. Naturally from an ebook, How to get rid of health issues quickly without medication. It's the step-by-step guide you can use right from your kitchen to reclaim your health naturally by someone who's been there. If you're tired of being told medication is your only option, this could change everything for you. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself while you sleep when you give it the right ingredient. That is available at local grocery store, or you can order them online. Visit howtogetridofhealthissues.com to get your step-by-step guide today.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Research suggests peak nitric oxide levels happen 2 to 3 hours after consumption. Plan ahead. Synergy matters. Combine your beetroot with L-citrulline-rich foods like watermelon to further support the NO pathway. And don't overlook temperature. A cool room facilitates the deep REM sleep your hormones require to reach peak levels. The body is incredibly resilient. Even after years of neglect, vascular health can improve within weeks of starting a cardio protocol. Be wary of names like Power Plus or Natural Stallion. These are the primary targets of the FDA's hidden ingredient warnings. At the Daily Health Habit Adjuster, we advocate for the boring, effective, and safe route. Every single time. Is it just cardio? No. Strength training boosts testosterone, but cardio maintains the vessels that deliver that hormone. You need both. The data is undeniable. 12 weeks of aerobic training can match the efficacy of some pharmacological interventions for mild erectile issues. For women, consistency in exercise reduces the vasomotor symptoms like hot flashes that can disrupt sleep and desire. By maintaining tissue health through regular activity, you break the cycle of pain and low libido that many assume is just aging. Let's recap. Step 1. Build the engine. Prioritize aerobic exercise to strengthen your vessels and the endothelium. Step 2. Fuel the flow. Use beetroot and nitrate-rich foods to keep your nitric oxide levels optimized for dilation. Step 3. Prioritize recovery. Sleep is the endocrine foundation. Without it, your vascular training has no hormonal support. Step 4. Exercise extreme caution. The FDA warnings are real. Avoid miracle pills with hidden dangerous pharmaceuticals. The market wants to sell you a miracle. I want to sell you on your own body's ability to heal and perform. Which will you choose? If you value science over hype, join us. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more investigative health deep dives. What's been your experience? Have you seen the difference that circulation makes over supplements? Let's debate it in the comments. I'm here to read your stories. Let's build a community based on facts, not fixes. See you in the next investigation. And one last bonus, garlic. It contains allicin, which further supports the blood flow enzymes. Add it to your dinner tonight. Stay sharp, stay healthy, and always question the miracle. Good night. We'll be following the latest FDA updates closely. The landscape of sexual wellness is changing fast, and we're here to track it. Remember, the vascular system is a network. What affects one part affects the whole. Intimacy is just the barometer of your total health. We've linked the primary studies mentioned in this video in the description below. Do your own research, be your own advocate. We aren't against nature, we are for the science of nature. Understanding the difference is the first step to true vitality. I'll be in the comments for the next hour. Ask your questions, share your protocols, and let's get the conversation started. The science doesn't lie, but the marketing often does. Choose the flow, choose the science, choose your health. Thank you for watching this deep dive investigation. We have many more protocols to share. Stay tuned. Daily Health Habit Adjuster. Real science, real habits, real health. Remember, your health is your wealth. Take care of it now, so it can take of you later. As Daily Health Habit Adjuster, make it simple as
your wish is my command.